Here we have the pattern for the spider. Each of the sides of the spider has 4 spokes, which are the legs, and it will be surrounded by a cross twist, pin cross twist box. First, we're going to start by preparing the 2 upper top sides of the box. We start with the top 2 pairs, give them a cross and a twist, and pin up to the top pin. Now we close that with another cross twist. Take the next right hand pair, do the same, the cross twist. Pin up, and another cross twist. Take the next right hand pair, cross twist, pin, and cross twist. And finally, the last right hand pair, do a cross twist, pin up, and a cross twist. This will form the right hand corner. Now we go to the left hand side and do a cross twist, pin up, and cross twist to close. Do the same with the next 2 pairs in the same fashion to form the left hand side of the box. Cross twist and pin, and cross twist to close. That finishes the top half of the box. Now we're ready to make the spider. Twist the 2 middle pairs 3 times, and the next 2 pairs 3 times. Those become the top legs. We take the 2 middle pairs and do a cross twist cross. Take the left hand pair with the left center and do a cross twist cross. Now take the 2 right hand pairs, make a cloth stitch of cross twist cross. And now take the 2 middle pairs again and do a cross twist cross. Cinch it up, and we take a pin in between the 4 pairs in the center, and we pin up into that center dot and tug on the bobbins to cinch up the threads to form the top half of the spider. And now we take the 2 middle pairs, make a cloth stitch, take the left hand pair, do a cloth stitch, take the right hand pairs, do a cloth stitch, and finally take the 2 center pairs and do a cloth stitch. And cinch the pairs up forms the bottom half of the spider. Now we take each one of the 4 pairs and twist them 3 times to create the bottom half of the legs. And that is the spider. And now we finish the bottom half of the box by taking the 2 left pairs and do a cross twist pin and cross twist. Taking the next leg pair and the side pair, doing the same of cross twist pin, cross twist, setting it in place. Now take the 2 left hand pairs, the right hand pairs, and doing a cross twist pin, cross twist. And the next leg and side pair, do cross twist and pin. And cross twist. And now we can close the box with the final cross twist, pin, and cross twist with the 2 middle pairs. And that finishes the spider in a box.